Hallo. This is a video about the procedure for using a stethoscope.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nisa Rahmawati. I was a 4th semester nursing student at STIKes Muhammadiyah Ciamis. In this occasion, I will show you how to use stethoscope. Check it out. First, to introduce him, he is Timmy, who will accompany me to practicing the stethoscope. The stethoscope is an important medical tool used to hear the sound by the body. This helps to diagnose the condition by examining the heart, lungs, and other organs. Step 1. Prepare your stethoscope. Start by ensuring your stethoscope is clean and in good condition. Inspect your earpieces, tube, and diaphragm for any damages. Step 2. Adjust the earpieces. Place the earpieces into your ears, ensuring a comfortable fit. Step 3. Position the diaphragm. Hold the diaphragm between your index and middle finger, ensuring that the diaphragm, the flat and circular part is facing forward. The diaphragm used to listen to high frequency sound such as normal heart sounds. Step 4. Locate the auscultation site. For example, for heart sound, the auscultation site are typically the 4 areas on the chest: aortic, pulmonic, tricuspid, and mitral. Step 5. Place the diaphragm. Gently press the diaphragm against the patient's skin directly over the auscultation site. Step 6. Listen and interpret sound. Focus your attention and listen carefully through the stethoscope. Step 7. Document findings. Make an accurate record of the sound you hear. And the last step, after using the stethoscope, you can clean and store the stethoscope again. Thank you for your concern. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.